back to my channel. So today I'm going to be packing for a cruise. I leave to Cabo, Mazatlán and Puerto Vallarta on Saturday. So let's get packing. I don't really know where to start. I guess I could start with shoes. Okay, for shoes, this is a tough situation because I don't really know what I'm going to be packing, so I don't know what shoes I'm going to need with what outfit. And the way I pack is, I just kind of throw what I think looks cute. I don't form my outfits before, which would probably be easier for me and make me pack less, but I'm too lazy to really do that. For shoes, I know I did that. For sure bringing these bad boys. They're Steve Madden's. I think they're called like a mule. It's like a very small heel. I thought it was super cute. I literally just bought them. Not for the cruise, but just because I think they're really cute and I want to like style them in a fun way. And then for sure bringing these. I got these a while back. I wasn't able to wear them because I sprained my ankle, but now that my ankle's feeling better, I'm trying to use the shit out of these. Probably shouldn't have said shit, but yep. Then I'm gonna bring sneakers. I'm bringing 2 pairs of Vans. I would have brought my Air Force Ones, but I don't know, I feel like that's just a lot of shoes. So I felt like plain white slip-on Vans and then my black platform checkered Vans are solid go-to sneakers that I'm gonna need. And then my trusty Birks. Birks are my life. I freaking love these things. And I'm also bringing another pair of Birks and then my running shoes because I'm trying to go to the gym. I feel like, I hope it, since I'm saying that right now, it'll force me to go, but in reality, I most likely will not go. Okay. So next up are the bottoms. I bought some new shorts at Hollister that are super flipping cute, and like I said, it's just gained weight, so I needed to buy new shorts. But yeah, so I got new Hollister shorts. I got some shorts from American Eagle. I literally I shopped and then I just kind of threw the bags there, and I was like, I know I'm gonna like get all this stuff out when I pack, and I was right. So I got these shorts from American Eagle. And I had like a pile. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall. Okay, so I had a pile right there of like stuff I knew I was gonna take. And so I also have these shorts from Urban Outfitters. I bought them a while back. They're like the BDG ones, I think. And then I just got these black ones from American Eagle. Super cute. So I'm gonna get some going out tops because shit, that hit my face. Am I being going out? I got this from Urban. Super cute. It's like a very crop top. And I love the mustard yellow. So a little Led Zeppelin shirt from Brandy. You know, just those casual tees you might need. I got a lot of cute ones, so don't you worry. And so I have this Doors t-shirt. I got this in San Francisco though. It was like on Height in Ashbury. I hope I'm saying that wrong. Ooh, not wrong, right. This shirt from Free People that my mom got me. I don't know, do people do that? Oh my gosh, I'm bringing so much stuff and I feel like nothing is gonna fit in this bag, which kind of stresses me out. It does not kind of stress me out. It really does stress me out. My foot hurts too. This is not what I need in life. I recently got my eyebrows done because I hadn't gotten them done. I hope I phrased that right. I'm so embarrassed. I'm like a journalism major and I should really know if I phrased that right. I didn't get them done. I hadn't gotten them done since May before graduation, and then like after I was just like, I don't really have anything I need to look good for, so I didn't get them done yet, and they were looking pretty crusty, let me tell you. And I was like, okay, well, the cruise is coming up, I'm just gonna wait until like the few days before, and I was gonna do them tomorrow, but I was impatient, so I got them done yesterday, and now they feel so much better. Ugh, this is so boring. I'm freaking bored doing this, and I got a lot of shit. I got this from Urban like a while back. So I got this swim top with the matching bottoms. All of my swimsuits I got at Dillard's. It's like a, I don't know if Dillard's is very common. I've really only seen it in my area, but it's from the brand Gianni Benny. I got this cute little red one. This red one is my favorite. I really wanted a red swimsuit, so I'm really glad this existed and I grabbed it. This cute one from Tilly's. I love the stripes. And then I got these bottoms with it. They're like a olive color. And then my white bottoms that I got at Tilly's with excuse me, this top that I got from Hollister. Hollister has a lot of cute stuff. I really underestimated it, so I'm really glad I stopped by and checked it out. I feel like I'm going to call this a video because I got the gist of my stuff. I still need to put my things away, but the most part I just need my like toiletries and my makeup. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm very new to YouTube and this journey I am about to take with it. So yeah, just bear with me. I'm sure in the long run I'll get better. But in the meantime, I just really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, so